Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dua and today we are going to be making scones. Yes, I said scone. It's not a scone. Just like phone has an E at the end. It's not a fawn. Let's go. So you'll need 250 grams of flour, about 2 grams of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. Sift the flour, salt, baking powder, and icing sugar together. Then add in 100 grams of butter. And rub the butter into the flour mixture with your fingers until it resembles fine breadcrumbs like this. Then take 1 egg and add in 3 tablespoons of milk and mix it together. And add that into the flour and butter mixture. Mix everything together until it forms a dough like this. And now I've added some sultanas to it as well, but you could choose to leave it plain if you'd like. And on a lightly floured surface, take your dough and roll it out with a rolling pin until it's about 2 centimeters thick. Take your cookie cutter and cut circles into the dough. And roll out the leftover dough again and cut as many circles as you can with it. Then take 1 egg and a dash of milk, and I've spilt it there, fantastic, and mix it together. This is going to form the glaze for the top of the scones. Take the egg mixture and just brush it on the top of each scone. Then bake it in a preheated oven of 190 degrees for about 20 minutes. And when they come out of the oven, they should be nice and golden brown, but make sure you let them cool before serving. And here it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.